Here we have the Mubilife security camera. We're going to unbox it and see what it looks like here. We're going to do a test on it after a bit. It's a wireless camera. You hook it up to the Wi-Fi, your house, and it's battery operated, but it has a rechargeable battery. This also comes with a solar panel. So we're going to hook it up to the solar panel. We're going to mount it at the back of the house and try to get a view of the backyard to see if there's anybody sneaking around back there. And we'll probably just get some of the animals that come in. But there's some mounting hardware. And here is the camera itself. Of course, it has the owner's manual, which I need to read, and download the app so we can run it on our phones. So there it is. Anyway, I need to read the instructions, so we need to get it charged up, charge the battery, and then we're going to try it out in the back. Alright. I'm going to take it outside right now and mount this thing up. It's very simple to do. We also downloaded the app on the phone, which I'll show you that later. But this is, again, the solar panel. We did charge the battery. Recommended it about charging it for 8 hours. It has a rechargeable battery, but also we're going to use the solar panel as backup. The battery life is going to depend on just where you mount it and how much activity you're getting on the camera, how many times the camera is set off, things like that. So we're going to mount this in the back of the house. I already know where I want to mount it. So we're not going to have a whole lot of activity, so the battery should last a long time back there. It's also the solar panel here has a couple foot cord, so that's good. It's very simple to operate here and to mount. We're just going to mount this on the wall back there, and then this will screw into here, and then this is going to go into here for the solar panel. It's going to screw in there, and then it can be adjusted. And then for the camera, this is the mount for the camera, okay? And then this will go on like this with this cap going on to that, and that'll hold it up like that. So we're going to go do that now and set this up. Mount this right here. I'm going to mark my holes here. Okay, now I'm just going to make a small hole with the drill bit. It'll be easier to get the sun right in my eyes. Then to the back, the solar panel. Now this is going to go in here. And we're all set. Here, I'm just going to mark my hole. Okay, I plugged the solar. Okay, I have this hooked up now, and it's turned on. We're going to see how it works. When you mount the solar panel, you do want to make sure that it's the best you can mount it towards the sun, so it can get as much sun on the surface as it can. Okay, here we have a live video through the app on the phone. So here we can change the direction of the camera. All around, down, this way, back up. And it's also showing that the battery life after 4 or 5 days is still 100%. That must be because of the, we got some deer, we got some intruders in the backyard here, because of the solar panel that's back there. But it's a pretty good picture. This camera is a really good camera. And that's how you can control everything from your phone. Press that to speak. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, you can even zoom in. Or we can take a picture here, or we can record a video here. Also, we can turn on the light, the position, and there's also an alarm there you can set off.